Now, if you really want to customize your desktop just even more, you can do this under our Edit drop-down menu in our Preferences. If we go here, we can see that under Edit, we'll click here and come down and you'll see that we have keyboard shortcuts, which will allow us to come through and reset all of our keyboard shortcuts that we are using within our Photoshop program. Now, I usually don't mess with this because I use all of Adobe's products, and all of Adobe's products pretty much have the same shortcuts all the way through. So it's easier for me to just go ahead and use ones I have preset because it's pretty much the same across the board. But if you do want to set one, you can reset all of your shortcuts here, and actually come over here and save them under your own file. As you can see, we have Photoshop defaults here, and then there's different video and film and working with type shortcuts that you can use. I usually use just regular defaults. And of course, your different options. You can create a new set, or you can delete a set. So, you have many options. And if you come over here and click your menus bar, you can see that it has all the same options too for, there we go. As you can see, you can edit whether or not you want to show certain options or not show any options, just to kind of clean things up. Like if you already know how to use the open or the new button, you don't really have to show it because you already know how to do it. You know the command key and everything in it, so there's no need in having it. But this is just another quick way to go ahead and customize this as much as you want. If you come down here and hit menus, it's the same thing. It's just the two tabs are interconnected in one another. So as you can see, Photoshop is very customizable depending on what it is that you want to do with it. So, if you just play around with it a bit, you can have it personalized to your custom specifications.